welcome to my video on easy food. In this video, I'm going to cover daily life of people who live in the wild. If you're interested in learning more about wildlife, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know. The daily life of wild people varies greatly, depending on the environment they live in and the culture of their tribe. However, there are some common themes that run through all wild cultures. Wild people live in close harmony with nature. They are intimately familiar with the plants and animals of their environment, and they use these resources to meet their needs. Wild people obtain their food through hunting and gathering. They use a variety of methods to hunt, including traps, nets, and spears. They also gather fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Wild people live a simple life, but it is a life that is rich in meaning and purpose. They are connected to nature, to each other, and to a tradition that has been passed down for generations. So he got to stop at his cooking place, and he put his belonging under the tree and finding some woods for cooking his meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next day with another video. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook page. Thanks again for watching.